Welcome. In this world show you how to use the KFC coupon code. So as you can see, I'm an official website where you can see many different coupons. Actually want to show you how to use them. So when we scroll all the way down, there is an FAQ and the question says how to use KFC coupon code, and there are 6 steps. Go to KFC and register if you're a new customer, or log in if you're an existing customer. Then pick your favorite meals from the menu and proceed to checkout page and locate the coupon section. Apply the KFC coupon code into the box next to enter discount code, and your card will show the amount after the discount. Then place your order and enjoy the meal. And in order to actually get these coupon codes, I'll make sure to leave a link to this website down description, because here you can see when you click on see coupon code, it opens up your window with the coupon code, and you even have a button to copy that could run away, so you can find open coupon codes here. And if you're going to Google and type in KFC promo code, you'll find many websites just like these. And that's how to use the KFC coupon code. If the snow is helpful, make sure to like the video, and thank you for watching.